Hi, I'm Dr. Lindsay Mumma, and I am the author of the best-selling book, Your Pelvic Floor Sucks. I am really excited to be debuting my course that is designed based off of this book. So no one asked me to write a book, but a lot of people did ask me to make a course, and I thought a book might be an easier way to reach a lot of people because pelvic floor dysfunction is a complete epidemic in the world. And I have been on a bit of a mission to make that not the case anymore. And so with this book, I had set out to improve the lives of so many people who are suffering from pelvic floor dysfunction and think that they really don't have an option for improving it. A lot of people think that if you have pelvic floor dysfunction, it's just one of those things that you'll have to deal with. I think specifically as chiropractors, we have a huge role to play in improving pelvic floor function and in acknowledging that so many people are suffering in ways that can actually be helped. So rather than people undergoing surgery that may or may not work and not offering them any sort of hope, I think that as chiropractors, we should be stepping to the forefront and really tackling this epidemic of pelvic floor dysfunction because we are musculoskeletal experts. And so this musculoskeletal tissue significantly impacts the way that we move, the way that we digest our food, the way that we are able to load whenever we're doing workouts, and is significantly impacted by a lot of the things that women go through in their lives, but are also impacted by things that men go through. I've had the opportunity to speak on some of the biggest chiropractic stages, and what the feedback that I consistently have gotten is that people simply don't understand what the pelvic floor is and how it impacts overall health. So I wrote an entire book about this because there's so much that I want to share. And what I've done is designed a course to actually complement the things in the book so that for those of you who have read the book, this will be a way of taking the things that are in those pages and making it applicable to your daily practice. And if you haven't read the book, that's okay, although I do recommend that you do. Then you'll actually learn some hands-on approaches to an evidence-informed approach to taking care of the pelvic floor. And from truly being able to empower patients to actually take their health into their own hands alongside your guidance and your skills as a manual therapist. I want people to understand the true impact of pelvic floor dysfunction and the ways that it can be helped and when and where to refer if you're not necessarily the person to be helping a patient with a specific set of symptoms. I want to go through a whole body approach to really improving pelvic floor function and allowing pelvic floor function to improve the whole body. These really synergistic ways of addressing pelvic floor function will also help improve things like foot health and can help improve airway health. It's actually really amazing how much a healthy and functioning pelvic floor can impact the rest of the body. So I want to share these things with you, and I'm so excited to be debuting this course in the Netherlands. So last year I got to teach a prenatal and pediatric adjusting course, which is one of my favorite MPI courses to teach. I got to teach it in Eemnes, which is right outside of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. And I've been lucky enough to be invited to go back there and to actually debut this course. So the first course that I'm teaching is going to be in the Netherlands. And I'm so excited to be there September 13th and 14th. So it'll be a beautiful time of year to be in the Netherlands. I'm really excited to visit some friends when I'm there and just explore the beautiful country. But I'm also really excited to share all of this information and knowledge that I've just been kind of like gathering from a bunch of different sources over the past 13 years that I've been doing this work and bring it to you in an easy, approachable way so that you can go into the treatment room with confidence, knowing that you are able to help patients who are suffering with pelvic floor dysfunction and that you'll have the right tools in place to be able to either take care of them on the table or send them to the right place where someone else is going to be able to take care of that patient. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in Eemnes, September 13th and 14th of 2025. If you want more information about the book, you can go to yourpelvicfloorsucks.com. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can always find me at lindsaymumma.com. Thanks so much.